Good evening, friends, and welcome to the daily post-market technical analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So, without any further ado, let us start with the analysis of today's session. So, starting with Nifty 50, today's price action suggests that the previous bullish hammer was broken down. So, on Friday, we had this bullish hammer, and the lows of bullish hammer was at this level. So, and the price, the candle today for Nifty 50 started somewhere in around the lower border or near the close of the hammer, and it tried to move up. It hit a resistance here, and after that, it steadily fell down. It broke the bottom support of the hammer. It even broke the lows of this previous rally start point. This low was also broken down, and eventually it closed much lower. So all this is indicating a strong bearish action in Nifty 50. Let us also take a look at the intraday candles or intraday time level. Oh, 1 minute. All right. Looking at the 15-minute time scale in Nifty 50. So the first 15 minutes candle was a strong bullish candle, and that faced resistance, and the next candle also tested the almost same resistance level, and then it fell. After that, there was some short consolidation, Nifty trying to make up its mind whether to go up or go below. Because of this first 15-minute support, uh, there was some support when the price was also falling down. This support comes to around 440 level, and this level is almost the same level as this open of the previous hammer. So Nifty was trying to find support at this level for some time, almost like 1, 2, 3, 4. For 1.5 hours, it tried to find support here. After that, it crashed down, and this crash took it below the intraday support of 17,380, 370 like that, and it even broke the low of the hammer very strongly. Eventually, there was some consolidation or sideways movement around 17 to 80 levels, 280 to 250, I think, between 17 to 80 to 250. And only towards the last half an hour, there was some maybe short covering. I think this could be short covering towards the last half an hour. This doesn't look like a rally, because had it been a rally, it would have been much longer. No, that didn't happen. So this is a kind of short covering, and overall, the price action in Nifty 50 suggests that the supports have been broken, and so it is looking even more bearishly positioned. And to look at the progress of Nifty, or and estimating where Nifty can go from here, let us see. At a daily level, 200 DMA is gone, or the 50 DMA is inverting, 100 DMA is also above the current price level. So all these are suggesting the strong bearish trend in Nifty. That is fine, okay. And we have a falling trend line here, which got tested multiple times earlier, and every time it got tested, there was a rally here. There was a rally. Here there was a rally. Here there was a rally. It went up to here. So now the price is approaching the trend line, but it is quite far away from that, and it may probably approach somewhere here, 16,900, if it approaches. So right now we don't see any immediate support, strong support for Nifty at the bottom. The price can fall down, or it can do some consolidation for further falling. So anything can happen now. But if you get a if you get a bounce in Nifty at this point, then consider it as a sell on high opportunity rather than a bullish opportunity for being long in Nifty. And see, all this is even more important, because we had a long-standing support here, and this hammer broke, and this hammer actually showed that support, and now that support is strongly taken down by this long bearish candle. So it is Nifty is unmistakably bearish. Any bounce or any short bounce at this point is a sell on high, unless we reach a support, and we have to see a reversal there. In that case, we can expect a rally, but right now we don't have any of those signals from the technical analysis. And one more thing to note is looking at a long-term price action. If Nifty tries to fall, maybe this could be one of the supports in the next 2 days. So this comes at around 17,000 level, or slightly lower than 17,000. So around 17,000, if Nifty falls further in say like tomorrow session also, then we may expect a support at 17,000. uh, Most probably it will not go below 17,000, because we have this falling trend line, and to break this, to break down this falling trend line, it will need some consolidation, and then it has to break down. It cannot break down at this pace, or this kind of steep down trend. So one thing is, uh, tomorrow if Nifty falls, 17,000 is going to be the strong support. Or if Nifty doesn't fall and it consolidates or it bounces up slightly, then consider it as a good opportunity to short. But again, don't short blindly, short based on the price action. See the resistances. There should be a resistance here at around at the bottom of this hammer, or if Nifty goes even above the top of the hammer, or even the top of this trend line, any of these could be a resistance. So short Nifty at a good resistance point to catch enough downfall. And looking at Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty is also looking strongly bearish. So we had this support wicks in previous days when Bank Nifty came here. There was a long support wick here. Here also there was a long support wick, and here also there was a long support wick, after on which Bank Nifty rallied. But then today Bank Nifty came to this level and closed lower than many of these lows, closed at the bottom of this candle, and we don't see any kind of support. It is very not very significant. There is a support wick which, and it is coming above the 200 DMA for Bank Nifty. That is the only significant part. So at this point, couple of things can happen. Bank Nifty can consolidate, let us say maybe slight movement here and crash, or Bank Nifty may open higher and crash. Depends on how the price action will be. But one thing is certain, that Bank Nifty is looking bearish, and if a consolidation or if you get a bounce, then maybe short it at a good resistance point like this one or here. So anywhere near a resistance, if you find a reversal in the bounce, then short Bank Nifty, and you will have good opportunity to you will have a good reward opportunity, because the next fall in the Bank Nifty is going to break this 200 DMA, and beyond this it may go even lower also. We have to see how much lower it can go, Bank Nifty. So looking at the long term price action, if Bank Nifty breaks this low of 200 DMA, we can expect it to cover up this gap, which happens to be slightly above 38,800. So if you are looking at a slightly long term, slightly long term in the sense like 1 week or 2 weeks of holding in Bank Nifty, you should short Bank Nifty when Bank Nifty gives you a bounce, and then you can hold it probably till 39,000 level. So if you happen to short, let us say at 40,400 or 40,300, then you can capture almost 1,300 points in Bank Nifty, because that is at least the nearest target. If Bank Nifty falls below this support, it can actually fall even lower. It may find the next support at 38,400 also. So I'm talking about a slightly longer period, like 1 or 2 weeks. So overall, both Nifty and Bank Nifty are looking bearish. So these are the supports and resistance for Nifty and Bank Nifty. I think I have to revise this, or is it accurate? Right now, Bank Nifty is at 38,000, 39,600. This is support. Okay, I have to revise. Okay, let us revise that. So the bottom of the candle is one support, 39,500, and the next support I am saying is at possibly 38,500. 39,500 is one support for Bank Nifty, and 38,500 is another support. Yesterday I had given the support as 40,300 and 39,800. Let us see what happened. 39,800 comes here. That is broken. 39. So Bank Nifty is below those supports, and the resistance could be at 40,400. And beyond that, the next resistance could be at 40,800. So for Bank Nifty and Nifty, the suggested trades would be, if you happen to get a bounce, then short Nifty and Bank Nifty near a resistance, so that you will have some good amount of downfall to cash in when Nifty or Bank Nifty falls after that. But do wait for the bounce to reach a good resistance level to short. Otherwise, don't blindly short, because if the bounce happens to be a strong one, you may be looking at some intermediate loss while holding, or you may have to exit with the stop loss. So that's about the analysis for today. Let us see how the trading or how the session uh, goes on tomorrow, and we will again meet after the market for the post-market technical analysis. Until then, manage your positions and manage your risk well. I hope everyone will have a good trading day, and see you again tomorrow. Thank you.